Welcome to a new video. In today's video we are going to be playing Lario, and let's go. I'm playing with the white pieces. Okay. Okay. Let's develop my knight. And should we get let's get a bishop out. That's a really common trap. Oh, probably going for this or just bishop development. I'm not sure. It's just some basic development. We can pin the knight, or we can castle. Let's castle first because we wanna see what he's up to. Getting the knight on the edge of the board, that's not really good. I have that. If I manage to do this, I have the fork. Let's try to do that. Might be pretty interesting. Oh. He took my bishop. Yeah, alright, and you can get out with your bishop, but not for a long time. If I manage to get my pawn up, your bishop is trapped and you can't do anything about it. Oh, you're pinning my knight, so you can go with the bishop over here. Very interesting, but I don't think that's going to work actually. We can move the queen, but then we block this bishop. We wanna do that or we don't wanna do that? That's the question. I don't think we wanna do that. We can get our queen here. And then this bishop is has nowhere to go. Oh, it can go home. Yeah, that's about right. Take, and then I get rid of the double pawns. That's good. We don't wanna take. Okay, then I'm going for this. I mean, that's coming. And you can't stop it. You are taking my knight. I'm taking your bishop. If you don't take my pawn, that can get dangerous, but I don't think that it actually will get dangerous because it has attackers. I don't know how can I can defend it. I can sacrifice a bishop. I don't know if that's a good move or not, but we are helping the pawn not get captured, and now we're taking the rook. We have this pawn that's ready to become a queen, which is dangerous for black. And even though black is 2 points up, we have that, and that's dangerous. Oh, we can also grab that. And I know what he's doing with that bishop. What can I do with my knight? I gotta use my pieces at their highest potential. If I get my rook here, I push, take, then I take. Oh, I have a very nice thing over there. Oh, I blundered the rook. He didn't see that I blundered the rook. Oh my god. Okay, let's just sack the queen. You can't really stop my background checkmate over there. You can't stop it. Only making a window and losing a lot of material. I mean, yeah. Yeah, I got background checkmate. Oh my god. I just blundered checkmate. And he didn't see it. I've just blundered checkmate, but he didn't see it. Whoa. Hold up. Wait a minute. He's controlling the promotion square. That knight is pinned, but it has defender. If we can get our king out of here, unpin the knight, and try to get out with it. Try to come near the king. Check. Take back. Can't take my rook. Still defending the promotion square, which I don't like at all. Do we sack? I mean, we take. He takes, and then he can't catch our pawn. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Now we gotta promote this other pawn as well. That's really important. Let's keep defending it and try to promote our other pawn. Oh! Oh, oh, oh my god. What is he trying to do? Check. So we defend that square in case of anything happen. Getting our other queen. Do you want to trade queens with me? Yes, you do want to trade queens with me. Very nice. Oh, you don't even want to trade queens with me. You want to get mated. Let's go. Let's go. That was the game. Hope you enjoyed it.